Charlie and the Jar. Once upon a time, in a small, sunny village, there lived a curious 5-year-old boy named Charlie. Charlie had bright, sparkling eyes and a head full of wild, unruly curls. He was known for his boundless energy and an insatiable curiosity about the world around him. One scorching summer day, while playing in his backyard, Charlie discovered a tall, slender jar. The jar, glimmering under the sun, caught his attention. Peering inside, he saw something that made his heart leap with excitement. A handful of shiny, colorful marbles at the bottom. Desperate to retrieve the marbles, Charlie plunged his little hand into the jar. But alas, the neck of the jar was too narrow, and his hand could not reach the bottom. Disappointed, Charlie pulled his hand out and sat down, pondering his dilemma. He remembered a story his grandmother had told him about a clever crow that solved a problem by being persistent and thinking creatively. Inspired, Charlie jumped up, ready to find a solution. First, he tried using a stick to poke the marbles out, but the sticks were too short to reach the bottom of the jar. Next, he attempted to tilt and shake the jar, but it was too heavy and firmly rooted in the ground. Undeterred, Charlie looked around and noticed a bucket of water his mother had left from her gardening. An idea sparked in his mind. He grabbed a small cup and started filling the jar with water. With each cup of water he poured, the marbles slowly rose higher and higher. As the sun began to dip below the horizon, casting a golden glow over the village, Charlie's persistence paid off. The marbles floated up to the top of the jar, and with a joyful whoop, he scooped them out. Charlie learned an invaluable lesson that day. Persistence truly is the key to solving problems. If your first solution doesn't work, think of another. Keep trying, because after all, it's better than doing nothing at all. And so, with his new marbles clinking in his pocket, a beaming Charlie ran off to continue his adventures, ready to face any challenge that came his way, with persistence and a bright, inventive mind.